A tree that can help prevent the occurrence of oxidative stress-related diseases. What an amazing tree it is. Introducing Niyog-Niyogan, Ficus pseudopalma of the family Moraceae. Niyog-Niyogan is an endemic tree in the Philippines, meaning it can only be found in the Philippines and nowhere else. Niyog-Niyogan is a small, fast-growing evergreen tree usually found in lowland and secondary growth forest at medium elevations. There is no reported use of its wood, but other parts of the plant are of primary importance. A decoction of the leaves is used to treat diabetes and kidney stones. This plant contains flavonoids, unsaturated sterols, triterpenes, steroid glycosides, saponins, tannins, and phenols. Young shoots of niyog-niyogan can be eaten raw or cooked and used in salads and as a herb. Niyog-niyogan might be responsible for the plant exhibited antioxidant property. Furthermore, knowing the antioxidant capability of the plant, niyog-niyogan can be developed into products that can help prevent oxidative stress-related diseases. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.